What do you think this rusty metal piece is? It's 2,000 years old, yet as complex as a modern computer. The Antikythera Mechanism, an invention of ancient Greece. This device, powered by gears, could calculate the sky. It predicted the movements of the sun, moon, and even planets. Solar eclipses and Olympic dates, all calculated with this machine, discovered in 1901 in a shipwreck, and no one knew what it was for years. Scientists scanned and digitally reconstructed it. The result? The first mechanical computing device in human history. Basically, it was the computer of the ancient world. And still, many of its secrets remain unsolved. Sometimes the past can be ahead of the future.